All right, today we're gonna make a healthy, not healthy, but a nice little shake. But we are gonna throw our greens, our baby spinach. If you guys can see, we're gonna throw blueberries, strawberries, vanilla ice cream with no sugar, and a little bit of milk. We're gonna do this Ninja blender. If you guys can see that, it's a blender. It's perfect. You could drink out of it, or you could leave it as it is and serve yourself. So we have all the stuff that we're using. We're gonna cut down these little stems and get it ready so you guys can see the ingredients that go in here. So let's go ahead and do that. Just got our ice. We added some ice in here, all right? And we'll make sure that you do not go to the maximum. So we're gonna remove a couple ice cubes. All right, and then we'll start adding our ingredients. So from here, we're gonna add some strawberries. Strawberries, cutting them half, at least half and half. It blends faster if you do them smaller too. So the smaller it is, the better you're gonna get a blend in there. So I like to do that and make sure you don't hit the maximum. Then we're gonna add spinach, all right? Some spinach in here. It's gonna blend in perfect. Blueberries, and more strawberries, and honey too. If you want like better taste, tastes better with honey. If you want peanut butter, that's your option. But we don't want to throw everything in there yet. We still have to liquefy this. All right, we got it there. We're gonna add milk. All right, we're gonna blend some of it first, and then we add our ice cream. We're gonna add milk. So you can blend it perfect. That much milk, and it's gonna liquefy it, but it's okay. So spin it here. Close this out, and this blend is a little tricky, so it might not turn on sometimes. You gotta actually take it off. So turn it on. We're gonna do this blend. See how it turns off? So you gotta mess around with it. Now we're gonna blend it. Stop. We're gonna add ice cream now.
And honey.
And honey from Pooh Bear. Just a little bit. If it goes too high, we'll lower it down right now. So we're gonna add 1 scoop or 2. How many do you want? 2. 1 spoonful. 1. And that might be too much, but it's 2. And then I love honey. Honey. There we go. Then the magic begins. Let's see, close it out. Again, blend. Now I'm gonna stop it and I'm gonna put smoothie, all right? It's a different cycle. You want to pour something or you want to drink it from here?
I can drink it.
All right, I think we're ready, and we're gonna have a taste test right now. So, is it good? Just right?
Yeah.
All right.
It's perfect.
Just right. Simple ingredients.
You can't even taste the spinach, and it's really healthy.
Yeah, no sugar on the ice cream. Spinach. A little bit of honey. Spinach, blueberries, strawberries. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, if you made it this far, I want to say thank you, and please subscribe and hit the like. Now, if you're watching on mobile, hit that hype button. This is going to help the show out, grow, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.